Are you looking for simple puff pastry recipes? Then you came to the right place. I'm going to show you 3 super easy recipes. Even a 10-year-old boy can make it. And write me in the comments which recipe is your favorite. First recipe is galettes filled with mozzarella and bell pepper. Roll the dough out. 1 is enough for 4 galettes. Add tomato paste and some seasoning. Cover with mozzarella and bell pepper. Here comes the tricky part. Give it a nice egg wash and bake for 20 minutes. The next recipe is ham and cheese pinwheels. Roll the dough out. Add everything you like, including cheese and ham. Roll the pastry and cut it into 9 to 12 pieces. Give it a nice egg wash and bake for 20 minutes. And the last recipe is mini pizzas with pesto. This is a great snack for every birthday party. Just cut the round shape. Add pesto, slices of tomatoes and cheese. Bake for about 15 minutes. You definitely have to try them out. Bye!